today. So it's going to start off an hour here. We've pretty much got nothing on the go at the moment. During the Asian session, we did rally a bit and then come back down to the downside again. We have this level that we are flirting with right now. Okay, so I'll give you those levels now. That's the first one. I'm paying attention to that one and that by the gap there. Right, so we are flirting right now with 25,039, or probably 2,500 is probably the round number that we're playing around with at the moment. We then have some more support at 24,824, and we have some more support a little bit further down at 24,544. A break below 24,544 would get me short on this pair, but sorry, on this pair, but on the Wall Street. But at the moment, what I see is pretty much keep the money in the pocket right now. So we've had a big up, big down, big confusion at the moment during the Asian session. And if you look at the hour, pretty much the same scenario. We're kind of hovering right where we closed at the moment. Okay, now I think if we just come down to the 15 minutes, you'll see big up, big down, big up at the close on Friday. And we had this big up, big down. So all of that is all confusion, all ranging, all indicating that we don't know what to do at the moment. It doesn't matter which time frame you look at. So when you see this kind of stuff, this is when I start listening to my gut and keeping my money in my pocket, because this is just a recipe for disaster right now. Until we start breaking through these fractals on the hour, and I'm going to just adjust this level. And I want to leave those permanent levels in, but so we break below 24,956, then you see you've got these major levels below it here where I would expect buyers to step in off those levels. So I really wouldn't want to be short here. This level to the upside here, 25,215. If we do get back into this area and we start rolling over, I'd consider a short at that level, looking for these levels here as a target. If we get above this level of 25,215, then I'd be looking for long. But at this stage, we've got this massive area of support here, this massive zone of support that is brewing, and I'd be reluctant to be trying to take a short going into these areas here. So I'd be looking to buy off this until we flip those into resistance. That is my strategy for the week. So today I am pretty much looking for an area to buy off. Whether it's down here or whether it's at a break up here, doesn't really matter because of the zone of support we have here on the weekly. Okay, so that's pretty much my view on the Dow at the moment. Right now we'll sit and wait, but looking forward, that is what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking for a buying opportunity, either off one of these levels or off a breakout over here. Okay, and I wouldn't expect a sort of a fall through these levels to the downside at this stage. I think it's going to take a lot for it to move down at the moment. I don't think there's any catalyst brewing at the moment. There's really just sentiment and market fears that's driving it right now. Okay, anyway, that's short and sweet for me today on the Dow. I hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.